Alright, so let's do a basic mic test of the new system here. All things considered, the last one I actually left with before my computer died wasn't fantastic. Plus this will let me test to see how well the audio syncs up with a game. So, Blue Revolver, fun little shmup. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1, and go. We'll go with Val and just the bitch boy setup for now because I just want to see if everything works. And I haven't really played too much of this so far, just simply because, you know, I got this right before the computer died, but I saw some other folks playing it and it looked fun, so worth trying out. And honestly, I have to say, loving the OG, or the OST rather, for this so far. I'll have to see if I can find it later, just because this is something I would listen to, off-screen at least. And I am just starting this out with the simple PNG tuber setup, because I don't really want to crash this thing as soon as I start it back up. Because it was hell just getting this little purple guy in effect. So let's keep this one working for a bit longer. And first big boy, so work on the right side. And I am not a shmup player by any means, so I am not gonna even try to defend any actions in this. And there we go. First big boy down. And overall, we just want to see if I can be louder than the game, all things considered. I know this is going to be a fine-tuning process for any game, but I'm sure people who have played Blue Revolver before know this game runs pretty loud. So, nice simple setups. Just want to make sure everything works. And just make sure my computer can handle recording this at the very least. I'll have to test out actually streaming later, but recording is a good baseline. And our first big boy. Thankfully, those little side guys are just distractions, but it doesn't want you to focus on them, simply because that can happen. Then we move on to next phase. Nothing too severe. Thankfully, even my lazy, tired eyes can keep up with this at the very least. And on to third phase, where we just gotta do the same thing as our mid-boss buddy. Does all the big shots, take out those side wings. Do like the aesthetic of just leaking. And there we go. First level done. I'll have to figure out how the scoring system of this works eventually, but hey, first test. And that first stage did only take us about 3 minutes, so that's not too bad. But since that's just a simple test, let's see how this all goes, and I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.